Hey everybody, welcome to another baseball card break with Matt. We have picked up another wall hanger of 2021 Diamond Kings baseball, guys. There's 20 cards per box, 3 short prints, and 2 inserts on average per box, plus the 1 hanger box exclusive red parallel frame, guys. So let's go ahead and jump on into this. This isn't everybody's favorite product out there because of the licensing issue between Panini and baseball, but my personal opinion, guys, is Panini has some fire baseball cards. Like, of course, they've got good basketball and football and all that, but here lately, they've just been stunning me with impressive cards that Topps has really been letting me down on, guys. Like, a lot of stuff you get from Topps is the corners have been crushed here lately and just stuff. I don't have time to try to send in a complaint form, and there's been times I've opened stuff that says it's supposed to be in there, guaranteed, and it wasn't. I mean, just a lot of issues right there, guys, but that's none of my business. This is our business, what's going on right here in front of us. Here we go. The pack is open. See if we can get any cool relics, inserts, anything. That would be awesome. Starting us off, though, we got Manny Machado. We got Mickey Moniak's rookie card. And I like to stick all my rookie cards to the side for the end. We got Christy Mathewson, Luis Giolito, Tony Gwynn. Got Juan Soto. Got Edward Olivares rookie card. That's pretty cool. Harvey Kuhn. We got George Mateo rookie card. That's pretty cool. I like that. Joe Jackson. Nice. We got Casey Mize rookie card. That's really cool right there, guys. Check that out. And these cards are just beautiful. Look at that. They all like they're just painted onto a canvas right there, guys. Here is our red parallel. We got Bryce Harper. Nice little Bryce Harper red parallel. Stick that up on the little stand. That's pretty cool right there. We've got a Ke'Bryan Hayes Diamond Debut Kings Artist Proof card. That's really cool. We'll stick that up there with it. We got a Mike Trout Gallery of Stars card, guys. That's really nice. I like that. Good old Mike Trout. Here's the Artist Palette of Casey Mize. So, wow, we're getting some good, decent stuff out of this one, guys. I'm going to stick that to the side, too. Got David Peterson's rookie card. Man, this was like the pitcher's rookie stack right here. We got Lewin Diaz. That's his rookie card. We got another debut Diamond Qs of Dylan Carson right there, guys. That's pretty cool. We'll stick that with the other ones. Who do we have? We got Max Scherzer. Pretty cool. And the last one is going to be Matt Chapman, guys. So, not a bad little haul right there. No high value autos or anything like that, but I like getting all these cool Diamond Kings and stuff. So just a quick recap. We got the Dylan Carson card. It's really nice. We got the Lewin Diaz, David Peterson. Got the Casey Mize Artist Palette right there. And if you haven't seen these Artist Palette cards, they are beautiful. Like, look at those. I'm telling you, man, Panini could definitely give Topps a run for their money when it comes to quality of the cards. Got Casey Mize rookie card, George Mateo's rookie card, Edward Olivares, and Mickey Moniak. Then we got this Artist Proof right here of Ke'Bryan Hayes. It's pretty cool. And then the Bryce Harper red parallel frame. And these red parallel frames are really nice cards. I really like those. And another cool one was this Gallery of Stars, the Mike Trout, guys. So that's going to do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to smash that like button down below for more videos. Ring that little bell, guys. I will see you in the next video. Have a wonderful week. Peace.